Okay, hi guys, welcome to Teardown. Now, before we get into any of the game, fair warning, I have played this game before, but it was a long time ago. I have beaten the campaign, but it was a long time ago, and I can't remember a single detail. I can't even remember what these maps are called. So, well, this will be an experience for us together, but I can remember, like when I get some of the weapons, so I'm not going to abuse the fact that I have all the weapons. So don't worry, I'm going to play this honestly with you guys, and I'm only going to use some of, like, all of the weapons if I really have to. So, oh, and the full campaign just came out. So there's a whole lot that we're both going to be experiencing together, all of us. This should be exciting. Oh yeah, and I have the smoke gun on for some reason. What? Well, alright, I guess we're just gonna do part 2 instead. Sorry guys, I guess we're just gonna do part 2, okay. Sorry, I didn't know this would happen. I really didn't. But if you want me to do a part 1 series, if I get the opportunity to, then I promise I will. But you've probably seen part 1 of this series before, like Jacksepticeye or something. A lot of people play this game. But, our house is looking pretty good now. You know, I'm just gonna assume you've seen part 1 before, like, but I will make a part 1 series. But anyway, so our house is looking pretty good and upgraded. It did not look like this before. This looks, wow, we're doing some work. Last I can remember, we were on, like, the run from the, what the? Okay, this is gonna be a lot for us to all enjoy. What? Nitroglycerin? I have nitroglycerin. Vehicle thruster? Cable. Leaf blower? I thought that was a minigun. Rocket booster. Okay. It's pretty interesting. Wow. Oh, our house looks so good. Oh, it looked like an absolute dump before. Oh, we're living in style now, boys. I love this. I love this. Oh, sorry. I sneezed. Oh, this is lovely. Hang on, it's a bit quiet for me. Here we go. Okay, so yeah, I will do a part 1 series on this. And yeah, but anyway, let's just stop worrying about that. Get right into it. Okay, so okay, so we still got our computer. Hey, the TV. Yes, the TV's gone. You guys. Oh, it's not. I know you guys don't know this, but I absolutely hated the TV because it was indestructible, and I hate things not being destructible in this game. But anyway, we'll see what's on the news. See, you can't break it. It's made of glass, and I can't break it with a sledgehammer. Yeah, well, I'm turning that off. Also, it's snowing now, apparently. Wasn't expecting that. But I think this is going to be fun for us all. So, I just want to have a quick look around, and then we'll actually get on with the game. So, let's see. Let's see what's going on. Man, it looks relatively the same. Like, this is the final time I'm going to say this. I'm really sorry that I'm not playing this, like, from the beginning. I tried to find a way to erase my data, so we could all do this from the start, but, you know, I couldn't find a way. Although, here are some helpful secrets for you guys. Down here, see, if you open this door, I'm just gonna see, like I said, I do have, a lot of the other weapons that I shouldn't have right now. But, you know, whatever. So, I'll show you. If I shoot this pillar, and see now, if I go back down into this, like, bunker here, it refills. There's also another secret that it took me a very long time to find. which I'll show you if you enjoy the video. And if you do enjoy the video, subscribe, comment that, like, ring the bell, you know. But with all that being said, let's finally, truly and finally, get into part 2 of Teardown. Tracy, the van. Just got the tax bill for your van. Is that still registered to me? We should probably do something about that. It's been really quiet for a while. What happened to all those clients you bought earlier? You brought in earlier this year? Still have some dough left, but it's running out quickly. We need to bring in new ones. Let me know if you hear anything. Hugs, Mom. Thanks, Mom. Hello. Amantidites. That sounds like an infection. Discreet photographer. Greetings. We've not formally introduced, and I would prefer to keep it that way. A mutual friend, Mr. Wu. Yeah, that's this guy. Informed me of your policy in entering and exiting locations undetected. Undetected. I know I don't have a face cam, but I'm doing air quotes. Due to an increase in popularity, the beverage business I run requires a security upgrade. Especially the facility on Hollow Rock Island. I contacted RoboSec to inquire about their autonomous guard robot. What? But the price is exorbitant. Exorbitant. However, they offer a significant discount if I provide information on the robot researched by their competitor, Weisel Security. Are you interested in helping me obtain this information? A few close-up photographs of their robot prototypes should be enough. I would reward you handsomely. I haven't got anything else to do, so sure. Oh, the map looks different, I think. Quizlet Security. Let's get right into the mission. Yeah, sorry, I still have the smoke gun on. I'm not going to use it because it's completely useless. Oh, I have a camera. Okay, so we have all these new weapons. We have our escape boat. And we need to get in and out undetected. So let's see what's going on here. Oh, this place, yeah. I get the feeling this is going to be kind of a hard mission, because this is part 2, like I said. What is... Oh, we can't even map? What? We can't, like, use our map here. Okay, is this a security camera? Yeah, this is a security light. Sorry. Stealth mission. What's this? Hack? Oh, right, the hack. I just hacked this door. Slow. Oh, this is a place where they would drive cars. Loading area? Loading area, what's for the loading? Okay, so we need to find their... Oh, these are just testing dummies, okay. So about to say, well, mission complete, I guess. Unload here. Robo Boss. Not interested. I'm just here for images of the robot. Oh, I thought that was locked. You know what? I'm gonna mess up their, Oh, I was about to say, do you make these things strong? But they don't. Okay, let's see. Where would they keep a robot? I would assume it's in Robo... Okay, this looks like a wall. What's here? This is kind of creepy. I think I'll go back up to the surface and see what's going on here. Okay, so I would assume this light will detect us. Is it a panning light? No. But I think there's... Yeah. Ooh. Go around the side. Oh. Hang on. It's a bit loud, you might not be able to hear me. Sorry, I'm trying to make the settings perfect for you guys at home. Oh. Oh, this area is off limits. Oh. Also, that's why we can't go there with the... Okay. So I'm assuming the robot is in fact in here. Great. Slow, yeah. So it's so there's 3 ways we could go. We could blow up this here, see what's in unload. We could go into the robo boss. Oh, 4 ways actually. We could go in here, or we could go down there. I want to go down there. Oh, it's an automatic door. That's nice. There's no glass here. Okay, this was basically the same path as the other one, so yeah, I was right. 3. What? What is this? What is this? I have no idea what this is. Maybe it's just like a bit of pipe. Oh yeah, there's another one here. I think it's a bit of pipe. Hack. Hacked. A. B. Oh, I hear something. Push and shove machines are us. Oh, a machine. Oh, that's so cool. I never expected to see like a machine in this game. Okay, I gotta get an image up. I don't know if how I tell like what batteries I have. I mean what photos I have. Okay, that I mean that should be it, but you know, I want to get some extra photos. Oh, okay, I didn't take photos of that one. Okay. Can I take photos of 2 robots? No. Okay, so they have a lot of robots. Presumably all down here. Yeah, there's another one. Oh, these are actually kind of advanced. I'm not gonna lie. These were like real life. Oh, it just broke a wall. Maybe it's not so advanced. Come on, hold still. Hold still, damn you. Hold still. This feels like trying to get a child to like hold still for a photo. It's purposely trying to stay away from me. Can I crouch? Will that help? Come back here, young man. Okay, I'm gonna get a plank. I'm gonna try and tie this thing down with a... Oh, with a cable, okay. Come here. I got it. Oh, this feels so evil. Oh my god. It's even good at getting away from the camera when it's tied up. I need to get a photo of this thing. I need to get a photo. Gonna get another cable. Eh. What? Let me take a photo of the robot. Oh, this... Okay, you know what? I'm gonna... Well, there's no use not using the weapons anymore, so... What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this, because I think this is actually kind of getting it in the way. So it's running away from me, I think, is the deal. So now, if, I think if I can make it go up there... Yes, got it. Okay. Great. Hack. Apparently there's 2 more robots, but I'm not sure where they would be. This doesn't look like a robot area. D. Oh! Oh, they can shoot? That's just, you know, that's great. That's great. That's just what I wanted. This won't shoot me, right? Oh, this one, I think they're designed different too. That's kind of cool. I get the feeling we'll be coming back here at some point. Okay. Oh yeah, there's one more. So what's going on with you? What's your deal? Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Ah! Well, okay, I'm gonna cut to getting back to that robot, and, okay, these robots are armed. Yeah, I'm gonna cut to getting back to that robot, and hopefully not getting blown up. Okay, guys, and we're back, so I've got back to explosive bomb robot, should we call this? Kinda on edge. Don't want to go near this thing. Okay, and run. Okay, we gotta run. It's chasing. Oh god, we gotta run. We gotta run now. I'm holding my shotgun to defend myself. Ah, come on. I'm surprised those doors aren't locked. We gotta go now. I wonder what. I'm still curious as to what's behind there, but you know what? I'll find out later. We gotta go. Ah! Oh! There isn't a helicopter coming, is there? I know that helicopters, they're a thing in this game. Okay, this is gonna be a fun series, I can already tell. Woo! Okay, that was, wow. Whoa, okay. We gotta be careful with that. Hey, I've reached the top dog rank. I got a hunting rifle. Yeah, that's great. Okay, we're actually gonna test out some of the new weapons. Because I don't know what any of these do. Leaf blower. I assume it just can blow away debris. Yeah, it's a leaf blower. What did I expect? I know what the cable does. We already used that to tie down that robot. It didn't work, but you know. Cool kind of cable. Hunting rifle. Oh. I'm gonna try and shoot directly in the O. Oh, that's powerful. We got nitroglycerin. I would assume this is very powerful. There used to be a train back here. I wonder if it's still there. I'm gonna see. This is a bomb, right? Is this bomb? Oh, I can probably shoot it. Yep. Is the train still back here? No, they removed the train. And here's the barrier. I don't know why I'm so sad about the train being gone. So there's a rocket booster. I would assume, you know, we can attach this to stuff and then it'll be boosted. That's just there now. A vehicle thruster. I'm actually going to try and get to a vehicle for this. I hate that there's no sprint in this game. There's a crouch. went so far as to... Come on, developers, you went so far as to make a crouch, but not a, sprint. So... What? Serious? I can't attach that there? How is this boat not a vehicle? Alright, I can't get in. Okay, that's fair. I'm pretty sure there's a tractor in here. Maybe we can make a... You know what, I'll test this out later. Okay, so let's see what our next mission is. Although actually, I want to upgrade some of our tools. I have a lot of cash, because I found a lot of the items in this game that allow you to get cash. So let's see. Nitroglycerin. What do I want to upgrade? I don't know. So I kind of like the hunting rifle, so I'm going to upgrade this to the maximum. And now we can see what mission we're going on next. Oh, it's Mother again. Tracy, read the van. I saw you made a deposit. You got a new client? Must be paying really well. Anyways, I was thinking about the van. Maybe we should get you a new one? Yes! I could actually use your old rust bucket for my grocery shopping. So it's all this at the dealer. What do you think? Hugs, Mom. Yes, please. I'm pretty sure the police know what our van is, so yeah, I would like this. Although Mom might get arrested, so I don't want. Oh, it's the police again. Harita teardown. Here we go again. Long time no see. After the Lee case was closed, I didn't really dig further into the Blue Tide and Mr. Nantides. Oh, it's the owner of Blue Tide. Okay. The energy drink company. But just recently we've gotten several toxicology reports indicating there's something in the energy drink that clearly shouldn't be there. Our addictometer maxed out, and that thing isn't even very sensitive. Just tried it on my morning coffee. No reaction. Can you head over to Hollow Rock and get clean samples of the secret ingredients? It would help us identify exactly what is in that he's mixing and from where he's getting it. By the way, I heard they closed a deal with RoboSec recently. Stay safe. Well, we've seen what those robots can do, so this isn't gonna go well. If they have watch out for security robots. Great. They have robots. And Blue Tide knows about me already, so I would assume that they're gonna be looking out for me. Brilliant. Just brilliant. Is any of this secret ingredient? That's one way to use sugar. Yeah, I'm gonna try and ruin everything. Oh, this is kind of cool. It's got ice. Don't know what I expected. It's the winter now. This is convenient timing, considering that it is in fact winter. Merry Christmas, everyone. Or at least when it will be Christmas. No, I don't want to live this life anymore. I'm just gonna go ice fishing. Anyway, let's get on with the mission. Let's see. So there's something over there. I'm only going for the primary targets this round, not the secondary targets, because you know those are unnecessary. And I just want to get the basic feel of oh, it's so loud. I just want to get the basic feel of what this new thing has to offer. Oh, hang on. Let me just open this the most civilized way. Perfect. Okay, so there's something in the Blue Tide store, apparently. Did I do it? Oh, they have a robot. They have a robot. Oh my god. I forgot about the robots somehow. Shotgun? What am I meant to do against the robot? What am I meant to do here? Yeah. I just planted a bomb on the robot. Did I kill it? Oh, I killed it. Did I? I don't. There. Okay, so that's how you kill him. Good to know. So it looks like there's going to be a robot guarding, got a valuable, nice. Some cash. That should help us upgrade our new weapons. More valuables. Blue Tide Extra Strong Limited Edition. 75? $75 I don't use dollars because I'm not American. Whatever. That's still a lot of money. Okay, I thought the ingredient was meant to be up here. Oh, it's in the second... Oh, it's like a 9mm thing of... Blue Tide? Oh, here it is, yeah, okay. It's in a safe. The safes are meant to... Oh. Luckily for us. Hopefully I didn't blow up the thing. Okay, I didn't. What is this? Okay, weird. We found out that we can pretty much knock out the robots with the bombs, and then chuck them into the sea to finish them off. This is dramatic. So I think I'm going to complete this mission, and then I'm going to I'm going to end the episode. And then if you like the episode, comment, subscribe, ring the bell, like. Don't know why I started with comment. Oh, there it is. Okay, that should be it taken out now. And now to make sure that it's good and dead. Oh, it's not good and dead! Oh no! Ah! Oh. Okay. That's a problem. Okay, I need to actually think about this. I need to be strategic. So, I'm gonna see how much damage my hunting rifle can do to the robots. Oh, come on. Oh. Robots right there. Where'd it go? I should know where a robot is. Rocket launcher. The rocket launcher one? There it is. Okay, I can see it from... Okay. Okay. This is gonna be a quick planning break to think of what to do here. Okay, so I've thought of what to do. I'm gonna make a sort of pathway that, like, I can push the robot onto the ice and it'll, like, break the ice and fall into the water. So I just need to lure it over here. Which means I'm gonna have to blow up this wall. No. This should knock it out. Yes, it's knocked out. Ugh. Yes! I'm a robot murderer. Oh god. Okay, so where's this thing at? Second floor. Should be... yeah, there it is. Okay, this is kinda cool. Hope I don't die. And I'm gonna quick save. So I don't, so if I die, yeah, because if you quick save and then you die, you know, you can just return to wherever you were. So I have a lot more pipe bombs left than I do the other thing. The other bomb, so I'm gonna try and use pipe bombs. Did I open it? Okay, fine, I'll just use... Actually... Yeah. Oh, fire alert, fire alert. Oh, big fire alert. Fire in this game, bad. Okay, yeah, let's get it. Where's the fire still at? Okay, it's gone. So the warehouse. I'm gonna go to the warehouse, because... It's a warehouse. There shouldn't be too much that can evade me in the warehouse. Actually, I could sneak in from the bottom. Oh no, no, I'm getting hurt by cold water. Oh no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no. I didn't know this was a thing. No, no. Oh. Oh, that was so close. Oh, and there it is, right above me. Okay, I just got a genius idea. So, as soon as it comes back here, I'm gonna... No, 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 don't go over there. Is it coming down here? Oh god, it might be. Oh, okay. Come this way, come right this way. Should, where is it? I don't know where it is. Did it fall in the water? It didn't. Is that a different robot? Is that a different robot? Oh no. Okay, okay, it's knocked out, and now... This is barbaric. Perfect. I just suppose they are just robots. Video game robots, so... I mean, what do I care? So this video, this is going to be quite long, so I'm going to have to... When this mission ends, I'm going to have to end the video. Real sorry about that, but, you know... Gotta do what you gotta do. Oh, pardon me. Okay, so, it's right there. It's right at this window. And I'm thinking... I could get it to fall here. And we know that it breaks the ice. Like, these things are heavy enough to break the ice. And what we did with the other one... So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a bomb there. Oh my god, it's knocked out. No, it's not. Come on. Okay, knocked out, knocked out. Perfect, that's all the robots done. Oh no, don't fall in the water. Okay, okay, mission complete. Now let's return. So this is going to be a fun series, I can already tell, and I'm making this into a series. Like I said, if you want a part 1 series, I will do that all in one video if you want it. But without further ado, that is Teardown Chapter 2, Part 1. I'm Magnus in a Cone, and well, oh, this is ominous. Well, if you enjoyed, hit the like button, comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time.